Good afternoon, children. Welcome to the English Grammar class, Module 8 Simple Future Tense. Now we will learn about simple future tense. Before going to the simple future tense, time is the first thing we have to understand while learning the tenses. Time is divided into three areas that can be represented on timeline as present, past, and future. Present is time now. Past is time before now. Future is time after now. Tense is a form of an action word that shows the time of the action. Since tense tells us time of the action, tenses can also be divided into three main types: past, present, and future. Today we will learn about the simple future tense. Before going for the simple future tense, let us quickly revise simple present tense and simple past tense. Let us see simple present tense. It is used to show the habits, events, and actions that are happening regularly, daily, or repeated very often. Now, let us see some examples. We go to Kashmir every year. I eat a fruit every day. We exercise regularly. The words go, eat, exercises are action words that shows actions. The words every year, every day, regularly in these sentences shows these actions are done regularly or every day. In other words, they shows habits. Now let's study about the simple past tense. It talks about an action that will took place in the past. It could have happened yesterday, last night, last week, last month, many years ago, and any time in the past. Now look at some examples. Rahim played football last Sunday. We watched a movie yesterday. I cleaned my room in the morning. These sentences clearly shows actions happened in the past. The action words played, watched, cleaned talk about past actions. Actions that are completed or finished. They are all in the past tense. Children, now let's study about the simple future tense. The word future means the time that is yet to come. So, simple future tense talks about actions that are yet to happen. Look at these sentences. I will buy a new cycle. Children, is this present action? No. Does this action happen every day? No. Is it happening right now? No. Is this past action? No. When answer is no for all question, when did the action take place? Like the other two sentences, present and past actions has not to happen yet. It will happen the future. The word will by that indicates that the action will take place in the future. The form of simple future is will plus action word. The word will along with the action word talks about future actions. Will plus go. My father will go to the coaching next week. Will plus show. I will show my drawing to you tomorrow. Will plus decorate. We will decorate the Christmas tree next month. Children, here all these actions not happened yet. They will happen at a later time than now. They are all in the future tense. Let us look at some more examples. Next month he will be 10 years old. We will eat in 10 minutes. The news says it will rain tomorrow. The future tense is also used to talk about decisions or hopes of a later time, promises, and to express willingness. Now, let us look at some more examples. I will behave well. We will pay more attention in class. I will clean my room today evening. These examples show promises that we make to others or to ourselves. Next, decisions or hopes. We will take a part in the race. I will become a soldier. I will visit my grandmother tonight. All these actions are decisions or hopes that are expected to be completed sometime later or in future. Willingness. I will help you with your homework. I will wash the dishes. I will get you some tea. These sentences show a willingness to help or to do action. For action or events that will not happen in the future, we use the word not after the helping verb will. Will plus not plus action word. For example, Neha will not sing on stage. Ria will not go to school next week. We will not go to the zoo tomorrow. Now let's revise simple future tense. It tells about the action that will happen or will be done at the later time. The form of a simple future tense is will plus action word. The simple future tense is also used to talk about decisions or hopes, promises, and to express willingness. For actions or events that will not happen in the future, we use the word not after the helping verb will. Will plus not plus action word. Yes, children, today we have learned simple future tense. Thank you, children.